How are you guys doing? So today is just gonna be vlog style. I don't know if I want to do the whole week. I probably will, just to show you guys. But today's Monday. What day is today? Okay, Monday, June 22nd. I'm gonna be doing my morning skincare routine while I talk, because why not? I wanted to make this video because I realized I'm not vlogging enough, and I really want to just keep track of my life and Mingy's life. Just kind of see the growth and where we are. So I love watching our old vlogs and just kind of seeing like where we were. That's the first reason why. Second reason is because we are kind of trying to change our lifestyle, more determined now than ever. We're trying to have more of a plant-based diet, and the reasoning behind that is not any political reason, but because of health. I'm not gonna go into it too much, but mainly it's for Mingy's health reasons. One contributor that I personally think, and he's slowly trying to think about it too, is his diet and what he's eating. And so we're currently trying to cut out meat and bring in more whole foods. I don't want to say that we're going vegan or vegetarian. Mingy is mainly going towards that, but for me, I'm still gonna eat meat. Not like steak and pork, but chicken definitely, and probably gonna eat eggs still. He's eating eggs still, so obviously that's not vegan, but he's cutting out all meats for now for the next 30 days and eat more whole foods and see how his body reacts to it. Let me spray this. This is acne cream because my acne has been flaring up. But yeah, that's just a little bit of background of why I wanted to vlog. Hi. You're on lunch? I'm recording you.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Bad?
Still not bad? Meatless sausage, green beans, potato wedges and rice with some chili sauce. Looks good, yeah. Very yummy. Are you sure it's very yummy or just yummy? Just yummy. Hey guys, we're at Burger King and we're gonna try the Impossible Burger or the Impossible Whopper. We're gonna try it out and see if it's good. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I don't know how to feel.
People say it's good, so I don't know, but I haven't had Burger King in like a couple years. I never really eat Burger King. So I'm a McDonald's kind of girl, but we can't eat meat no more, so. That's like 20 bucks for 2 meals.
Without drink too.
No, this is with drinks.
Yeah, but we got water.
Yeah, we got water. So technically we did get drinks, but park over there, park over there, park over there. But there's like nobody. Ooh, it smells so good though. These fries. They're huge, baby. I don't know what kind of sauce they put on. I don't really like sauce.
Oh, I wish we had no onion too.
It's okay. We could just take the onions out.
Ooh, fries are fresh.
These fries look so good. This is how big the burger is.
Yo, this omelet. I think it has some fish in there.
I think it does.
Oh, I want some crab fries.
Oh, hot. Smells really good. Okay. Has like tomato, onions, lettuce, pickles, and then the patty. The patty definitely does look veggie. I don't like onions and tomatoes, so I'm taking that out.
I don't like onions, so I took mine out.
I'm not a big fan of ketchup, but I'll eat it.
These fries are popping.
Yeah, the fries are fresh. Okay, let's take the first bite together. I thought it had cheese in it. It doesn't have cheese?
Wait.
It's supposed to? Does yours have cheese?
Can I get a napkin?
It's supposed to have cheese.
I think so.
The freak? Cheese is where it's at, man. Cheese is what makes it.
I don't care.
Dang, that's sad.
Time. Don't blink.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Sorry. Show them your burger. Wow. Okay, let's try it. Not bad. But you can tell it's not beef.
Let's try the meat or something.
The patty. Pretty good. It's like a light burger. That's what it tastes like to me.
It's like a Diet Coke. A Diet Whopper.
Yeah. It's not bad though. It's pretty dang good.
Whoa.
I don't know if it's just because we're so hungry, but it's pretty good. I like it a lot. The pickle's good. You like the pickle? Pickle's really good. One out of 10 compared to your favorite burger.
My favorite burger?
Or the best burger you've had.
Maybe like 5.
A 5?
Or 6.
Okay. For a meatless burger.
It's alright.
I think this is the best meatless burger you're gonna get. I might actually like this better than a regular burger. I usually don't like ketchup, but the ketchup's hitting for me right now.
Hate to break it to you, but it always does.
Not always. Sometimes it's really nasty for me. Okay, final thoughts.
Would I get it again? Probably.
I would get it again. It does taste like a burger, right?
Yeah.
It's better than all the vegan meat that you've been eating. I think out of all the vegan meat we've been trying, we've only tried 2. The sausage was not good, but Minky liked it. I like this meat a lot more than any of the plant-based meats we've gotten. Minky said it was a little too dry for his liking. He needs it a little bit, he likes the grease. But the fries were bomb. Trader Joe's. We got these organic brown rice, quinoa, fusilli pasta. These are gluten-free. Also, to go with it, we got this this pasta sauce. organic Spanish olive oil. Maggie really wanted to try this chili lime seasoning blend. We also got some pistachios. And then these are from Target. I'll talk about that in a bit. I already put some things in the freezer, but this is the Morningstar Veggie sausage links. And we also got some meatless breakfast patties. Some tofurkey, plant-based original Italian sausage. And beefless ground beef. Looks yum. We'll see how those turn out. Also got some juices for mango. He loves the mango. We're gonna try out the Trader Joe's version. Also got some organic chicken bone broth. I think that's all we got. No, and some potatoes, but you don't need to see that. And then from Target, we got more of these kind healthy greens, oat and honey with toasted coconut, like granola bars. And then I'm really excited about these, the Gardein classic meatless meatballs. We'll see how these goes. I'm gonna try to make some tonight for his lunch, and I'm just gonna try a little bit. Gonna put that with the pasta. So we're gonna make this tonight. See how it goes. I think I forgot to show you guys. I got this Trader Joe's New York baked deli style cheesecake. It looks so good. Take it out for you guys. Gonna defrost it a little bit so it's really tasty. It looks so good. Hey guys, so I'm making some dinner. So I'm just making this really simple chicken like porridge for Maggie. Made these meatless, I purchased these meatless meatballs, and I just cooked it in some onions, tomatoes, some shallots, cilantro, and then this is the chicken porridge with rice. It's really yummy. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad either. These are the meatballs I got. These are from Light Life. These are plant-based meatballs. I looked at the ingredients, and mainly they're made out of like soy. So yeah. So I've tasted a little bit. It doesn't taste that bad. It's actually pretty good. It has a weird texture, but it tastes pretty good. Hey guys, so I've been really lacking on just showing you guys what me and Maggie have been eating. Sorry, just so sorry. It's just not, you know, the first thing that comes into my head, like, oh, I need to record what we're eating, but it kind of does because I'm making a video about it. Just want to share with you a couple of things that we did eat that I didn't mention. Like we had like chicken and tofu. I know tofu is an alternative for meat, but us Asians like to eat tofu with meat. It's kind of weird, but it tastes really good. So it was just like a simple soup. It's just chicken. You could be any kind of chicken, chicken breast, chicken wings. I used, I actually used a Cornish hen. I used a Cornish hen, a whole hen, and I cut it up, and then I just made it to a broth, and then we put tofu in it, and it was really, really good. We ate that one day. Well, Mingy actually ate that for 2 days because he actually likes like really simple stuff like that. And then Mangy has been eating his meatless sausage, breakfast sausages, and he said he really likes them. So yeah, good for those sausages. He hasn't tried the sausage patties yet. Maybe I'll record it when he eats it. But yeah, mornings he usually just eats his tomato and eggs, or eggs and spinach, or those meatless meat patties and eggs. He always has eggs. He loves eggs. And then there's a couple of times where we kind of cheated. We just ate what my mother-in-law made. Like we had egg rolls one day and it had pork in it, and technically he's not supposed to have anything other than chicken. But I think that was the only time he ate something that wasn't chicken. All the other times we've had like chicken wings. Oh yeah, we had B-dubs one day. It was so good, which is not exactly healthy. We ate a lot of chicken, but yeah, at least he's not eating red meat. And we've been eating a lot of veggies with our stuff. So usually we'll have like some beans on the side, or some broccoli on the side, or spinach on the side, something like that. Mingy's being a lot more disciplined than I am because, you know, it's his health and technically is mine too, but we're mainly focusing on him, so I kind of cheat here and there. He's been doing really good, and there's a few meatless things that he's tried and he really doesn't like. So he's tried the Gardein meatless meatballs. He doesn't really like that. I tried it in some spaghetti and he doesn't really like it. He's tried the tofurkey, like the Italian sausage. He doesn't like that as well. He said it kind of tastes like just the texture is kind of weird, and he said it kind of tastes like Slim Jims, which personally I like Slim Jims, and I know he does too, but I think it's just weird for him. He doesn't really enjoy the texture as much. So those are a no for meatless meats. That's about it. It's been hard. It's been really hard, I know, for me to just kind of come up with stuff, like recipes and stuff for him to eat, because I don't even know if I would like it, so I don't know if he would like it. So yeah, sorry. I will try a lot more to just be better with recording what we're eating and what we're eating when we're eating it. So yeah, thanks for watching our trying to be healthy vlogs. But yeah, see you guys next time.